Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reorder Paragraph Real Exam Question Series. This is 57th video in this series. It means that we have covered 56 real exam questions जो students को paper में आए हैं, and we have discussed the tips and the hacks how to solve them. So let's get started. My name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE. Now question students ask is, sir, can we also achieve our target score because they have given paper 2, 3, 4 times? Then I simply say them that yes, you can also score. We have to follow the strategies and tips, tricks and you will be able to score चाहे आपका target score 58 है, 65 है, 79 है. You will be able to achieve your target score in your next attempt once you know how to write PTE, how to attempt the questions. And we post informative videos on a regular basis, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel. PTE reading is of 32 to 41 minutes and it is not scored out of 90, it is scored out of 47 marks and it has 5 question types. And today's topic, reorder paragraph, is the third question type in PTE reading module. And this is the total scoring, how the 90 comes for reading module, but जो reading का module है वो सिर्फ 47 marks का होता है. Total reading is of 90 marks. उसमें से reorder paragraph are of 6 marks. So if you are getting 2 reorder paragraphs, they will be of 3 marks each. So this is how the marks distribution is there for reorder paragraphs. अब आपको reorder paragraphs you have to solve in just under 2 minutes. Up 2 minutes mein can you understand the meaning, the logics? The answer is no. What you need to do is you first need to skim for the independent line, then you have to apply the strategies, and then you have to make pairs and then confirm if the pairing is correct. And all these things we teach to our students who take online coaching or offline coaching from us. And this is today's reorder paragraph. And as usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, we are going to discuss it. Okay, so you know that the first thing we do is we have to skim it to find independent line and if possible concluding line. Concluding line मिलना हर बार possible नहीं होता, so this is optional, but हमें independent line हमेशा find out करनी होती है. For finding independent line, we use process of elimination and I call this as our best friend forever. So उसमें क्या होता है, we keep eliminating all the wrong options जब तक हमें एक या दो lines नहीं बच जाती and then one of them is your independent line. Okay, जिससे हम अपना paragraph start कर सकते हैं. So let's get started. This diet, कौन सी diet? This is a pronoun and independent lines में pronoun नहीं हो सकते. So that's why we are going to eliminate this. Menus in all of these places. Again, these कौन सी places नहीं पता. So we are going to eliminate this also. And this is our process of elimination. Vegetarians do not eat meat or fish in their diet. Yes, this is independent line. This can be independent line. अब स्टूडेंट्स पूछते हैं सर यहाँ पे देयर यूज हो रहा है बट उसी लाइन में डिफाइन हो रहा है राइट. जब नाउन प्रोनाउन रिलेशनशिप सेम लाइन में डिफाइन हो रहा हो देन वी कैन टेक दैट लाइन एज इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन क्योंकि यहाँ पे देयर को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है वेजिटेरियन को. दीज डेवलपमेंट्स, कौन सी डेवलपमेंट्स कुछ नहीं पता. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस कैन नॉट बी योर इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन. Restaurants and school cafeteria adjust and amend their menus to adapt to this special diet. अब their menus, right? अब again pronoun है, but क्या same line में define हो रहा है pronoun? Yes, because there में क्या बात हो रही है restaurants और school cafeteria की. But this special diet क्या कहीं पे mention हो रहा है? यहाँ पे this किसको refer कर रहा है? यहाँ पे कोई diet को mention नहीं है. So that's why this cannot be your independent line. See, Using the process of elimination, we could quickly find out our one independent line. Vegetarians do not eat meat or fish in their diet. So this is our independent line. अब diet की बात हो रही है, depending upon our SO strategy, right? We have to see अब यहाँ पे this diet है, किसको रेफर कर रहा है, वो इस diet को रेफर कर रहा है. Okay? So this diet is not only unattractive but also cause nutritional imbalance if not managed well. अगर manage ना किया गया तो nutritional imbalance हो सकता है. Menus in all of these places कौन से, यहाँ पे जो हमारी बात हो रही थी restaurants and school cafeteria की, तो ये these places तो इसके बाद ही आएगी line. मे बी पेयर बनेगा और नॉट, वी आर गोइंग टू सी दिस, बट ये लाइन इसके बाद ही आएगी. अब दीज डेवलपमेंट्स, कौन सी डेवलपमेंट्स, वी हैव नो क्लू. सो अब आपकी सेकेंड लाइन कौन सी बन सकती है? आइदर दिस वन, restaurants and school cafeteria adjust and amend their menus to adapt to this special diet, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपका स्पेशल डाइट को दो लाइंस रेफर कर रही हैं. बट एक चीज, अब आप यहाँ पे देखिए, अभी आप यहाँ पे सिर्फ डाइट की बात कर रहे हैं और यहाँ पे एक नया टॉपिक इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहा है रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड स्कूल कैफेटेरिया का. सो एज पर आर टॉपिक ऑर्डर, पहले किसकी बात होगी? पहले डाइट की बात होगी, फिर उसके बाद आपके दूसरा टॉपिक इंट्रोड्यूस हो सकता है विच इज आर schools and restaurants. Okay, so that's why we are going to make this as a pair, because manage करना. and second logical order भी अगर आप contextually भी देखिए, यहाँ पे not managed well है, so manage कैसे हो सकती है वो चीज? अपना menu को adjust करके. Okay, so I hope this is clear why this is the second line. This diet is not only unattractive but also cause nutritional imbalance if not managed well, क्योंकि आप इसी diet की बात कर रहे हो. So this is our SO strategy. Moving on to the next line, as we discussed, restaurants and cafeteria adjust and amend their menus to adapt to this special diet. कौन सी diet? Vegetarian diet. Not managed well के लिए उनको अपनी menus को adjust करना होता है, improve करना होता है. So this is our now TO strategy. पहले आपने डाइट की बात की, फिर आपने नया टॉपिक इंट्रोड्यूस किया which was about restaurants and school cafeteria. अब बहुत क्लियर है, दो लाइंस बची हुई हैं. These places, again this is our SO strategy because यहाँ पे कौन सी places की बात हो रही है? Restaurants and school cafeteria. So this is again our SO strategy. और अब वैसे भी एक ही लाइन बची है, it's going to come in the end because this is more or like a कंक्लूजन लाइन की ये सारी डेवलपमेंट सक्सीड नहीं हो सकती जब तक वेजिटेरियंस अपनी एफर्ट ना डालें. ओके, सो दीज डेवलपमेंट्स वॉन्ट सक्सीड विदाउट द एफर्ट ऑफ vegetarians. So this is our reorder. Let's see if the order is correct. Yes, the order is correct. So you see, as per our strategy, if you follow our strategy, reorder paragraphs ko solve karna, it will be easy. We have fixed rules for finding independent line, which you have seen it today. Then BS strategy, brought to specific strategies, CO strategy, chronological order strategy, LO strategy, logical order strategy, connectors. TO strategy, you have seen its usage today, topic order strategy, AB strategy, abbreviation strategy. SO strategy, you have seen its usage today, and there are rules for last sentences also. So if you are going to follow these strategies, right, and then you can easily solve your reorder paragraph in 2 minutes. But in first 30 to 60 seconds, you are going to skim the content. You have to find the independent line, then try to find the conclusion line. And in next 30 to 60 seconds, you have to apply the strategies so that you can solve them quickly, make pairs. And all the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in the ticker below. You can see so many students of ours have achieved their target score. And these are some of our recent success stories where students have scored 90, 87, 86, 82, 81. So if these guys can achieve, you can also achieve. All you need to do is to contact us at WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is 8699121121. You can WhatsApp if you want to take online coaching, offline coaching, or if you have any questions or doubts. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.